Hello everyone. Is my voice clear? Please mention in chat. Can you hear my voice? Okay, thank you. So let's start. Uh, let's start with why the indicator. Why indicator is better than having a single indicator on. For example, if I want to find a bottom, okay, so I will use some certain indicators that will help me to find the bottom. Okay, and for trending moves, I'll use some other indicator to find trending moves. So trading view allows you to use multiple indicators to get bottom as well as trending moves, anything you can get. So in this particular indicator we are using more than 20 indicators of trading view and combine it to make a one indicator Swingkhoj, which has 8 strategies inbuilt. 6 are for daily and 2 are for hourly. So you can see how it finds the bottom here. Then it finds the pullback. It also finds the trend. It finds some breakouts also, box breakouts. It also has Fibonacci levels. Okay, so we will discuss entire thing. So I have made a small guidelines here. So let's start with this. You can see this MS Word file. Please say yes if you can see this. Yes, trading views. You allow only 3 indicators, but I have combined many indicators in one indicator, so you can use this indicator. So some general rules that I have made for the swing trading is like, do not trade near results. Typically 5-day window is preferred before result. Like if a result is on 10th, trade at least 5 days before, and after that don't trade. So if also if there is any indicator that confirms a trade, beware of the nearby resistance. So you need to have some basic understanding of support and resistance, how to find. We'll also discuss that. Post result, wait for at least 2 days to trade. Okay, so don't jump in on after result, right after result. Just wait for that to cool down. So enter near fib support for pullback trades. We have two pullback strategies. For that, if you are entering near support level or some Fibonacci retracement levels, the chances are better that that trade could do well. Okay, do not enter on two big candles as it affects the risk reward ratio. So if big candles, so avoid entry. Let wait for a pullback or something on a fresh entry. Okay. Due to using different tool for scanning and charting, not all stocks and Telegram scanner will have same indication on trading view chart and vice versa. Like uh, we are using charting for scanning stocks, and we are using the Telegram channel to send those scanning results into the Telegram channel so that it can be available to everyone. But there might be some mismatch between the trading view values and the charting values. So we are preferring charting values over the trading view. So whatever comes in the scanner, you will assume it as it is the stock that has come inside the trading view indicator, even if there is no indication on the trading view indicator. Okay, so that is there. So we can show you the scanner like how it looks. See, you can see the trading view channel here. Okay, so here there are breakout stocks. You can see There are swing buy, G bar, pullback, blue bar. These are all strategies. So we'll discuss one by one the strategies. So yeah, it is advised to consider stock screen in Telegram channels as authentic, even if there is no signal on TradingView chart, as they have been considered while backtesting. So these are the strategies. Explanation of the Swingkhoj indicator. Dark blue bars, you can see strong momentum upside. You can see the dark blue bars here. So these indicate that there is a strong momentum to the upside. Okay. Then we have maroon bars. Maroon bars indicates strong momentum to the downside. You can see any maroon bars here. See maroon bars here saying that there is a strong momentum to the downside. Okay. Then we have B indication. It's a possible bottom formation. You can see here B indication. It says it could be a possible bottom. Okay, you can see how good it is, right? Then we have blue bar. Blue bar is a sign that uptrend is beginning. It's a sign of beginning of uptrend. If you see a blue bar, it suggests a beginning of uptrend. You can see here. If I zoom in here, you can see a blue bar here, right? Okay, I'll just hide these. You can see a blue bar here. So it suggests that it could be an uptrend starting from here. Okay. EMA color, EMA 20, we have the EMA 20 running over here. You can see the color. If it is red, it means it's not like in trending move. Strong momentum is not there. It's similar to this dark blue bars. Okay, if there is strong momentum, it will turn dark blue or it will be red. So then we have the boxes. If I click on the box, blue box means the box will turn blue if breakout is on the upside, and the box will turn pink if the breakout is on the downside. And if there is any running box, it will be in yellow. If you can see any ongoing box, see this box is in the making, so it is in yellow. Then we have gray boxes, that is a Fibonacci 50 to 618 zone. That is, you can say it's a golden zone for a trending market. If we set this Fibonacci zone here, it will give you, for example, see this was the fib level, this was the fib level. Okay, you can see the fib levels, these gray areas, small gray. Okay, I'll undo the box here. You can see these gray areas, these are the fib levels. Okay, from here also you can look for buy trades. So the indicator is built with total 7 strategies, 5 in daily time frame plus 2 in 60-minute time frame and a bonus bottom strategy. Okay, so total 8 strategies. All strategies mentioned will have a simultaneous Telegram notification as well for screening stocks. Under indicator setting, there will be an option to hide the box for EMA and fib zone I've already shown you how to do that. So let's go to the guidelines of each strategy. So blue bar strategy. Okay. Telegram channel will give a list of stocks end of day for next day. If any stock are screened by our scanner, which is in which a blue bar is formed under blue bar Swingkhoj. Okay. So we can see in the Telegram there is a stock. You can see blue bar. Okay. There's a blue bar. So let's check out this stock low wall. This is an ETF. So let's check any other stock previously. You can see here Sundaram Fasteners is here. You can see there's a blue bar here, Sundaram Fasteners. So the strategy is to mark the high of this blue bar, and if there's a close above this bar, or if you think it is going to close above this bar, and the ER should be greater than 25, it should be blue. This indication ER. Can you see this? Now it's showing 37. It should be about 25, or it should be in blue color. Sometimes like 24 is also okay, but 25 is the set value. Plus minus 1 or 2 is okay. So if we get a close above this level, it's a entry. Okay, but for that there are some rules, conditions. So mark the high of the blue bar on the trading view chart. Close above the high of the blue bar is the entry, provided that ER efficiency ratio is 25 or more. So if ER is 25 or more, it will also be highlighted in blue color to confirm entry. If entry not confirmed within next 5 bars of the blue bar is invalidated. So we count from the blue bar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did not get entry, so it is invalid entry. Okay, we will look for any other type of entry. Stop loss. If a blue bar is formed on a downtrend, then stop loss will go below the last swing low. If a blue bar is formed in an established uptrend, then stop loss will be below the low of the blue bar. So for example, see, it is an uptrend, right? Established uptrend. It's not a downtrend. For example, after a downtrend, a blue bar is formed. After this downtrend, after this blue bar, the stop loss will be the low of the swing, last low. Okay. So we mark the high here, and this is the low. Okay. So the stop loss will be below this low. This is the entry candle, close above or somewhere here in this candle. 1:2 we are looking at. So 1:2 is this level 913. So it has, you can see it is it. Okay. So target 1:2. If there is any resistance near the entry, you have to, or near the before the target level, you can book there also. Like for example, uh, our target is this, right? So and the you can see the resistance, last resistance here. So we can book here. If for example there was a resistance here before our target, so we can book some here. Okay. For example, let's assume that this is a good resistance area, and our target is above the resistance, so we can book some here. So we have to be flexible with our trading. So here is an example of Adani port. You can see here. Or we can take any other latest examples from the scanner. Let's go behind some days. Okay, so it is around 20 22 August maybe. So we can see here green lamp. Okay, so this is a big candle. So we have a strict rule for the big candle, so we are not taking this into consideration. Let's check other stock. Blue Dart, Tata Communication. August. See, you can see here it has come in this swing in our scanner, but it is not reflecting here. But we can say we will take the telegram notification as the true value and will trade accordingly. So it is an established uptrend. So we'll keep this stop loss, and I think this is a close candle. So you can see here there was a resistance before our target, so we can book here. Are you getting the point? We can go for 1:1. At least we should get a risk reward for 1:1. Otherwise, we will not take the trade. Simpler, I'll show you long short. For example, this is the entry. This is a stop loss. So at least we want 1:1. If you don't get 1:1, we will not enter. Let's check another Tata com. Okay, I think this is the blue bar. You can see here. We mark the high of the blue bar. So close above somewhere here. You can actually go into backtest and see if the entry was valid. You can see we have got a close above and also the ER is above 25 and it is blue. So this is a valid entry and this is it is in an uptrend, right? It's not the first blue bar after the downtrend, right? So stop loss will be this low. 1:2 is this. This is stop loss. Let's play this. Okay, target is done. So 1:2 target is done here easily. Are you clear about the strategy? If blue bar is an uptrend, the stop loss will be the low of the blue bar. Okay. So let's go to the next one. So there is a note: if blue bar, the blue bar should be medium to narrow range bar. Avoid big blue bar trades. Blue bar in between the dark blue bars are not to be traded. So at least four normal bars should be there after the dark blue bar before a blue bar appears. For example, if it is a see this blue bar we cannot trade because it's already in uptrend, right? Strong uptrend. We cannot trade this blue bar. So at least four normal color candles should be there before the blue bar. So this is a tradable blue bar. This is a tradable blue bar. This is a tradable blue bar. This is not. Okay. Is that clear? Actually, this is not resistance. This is support. This is a Fibonacci support. It's not resistance. It will be formed while like it is coming here. It will be the support. It's not a resistance. Okay. We have only made this indicator as a for buying, not for selling. So there will be no resistance showing here. Only we have to take into consideration the swing high. So this is a swing high, or maybe this. Yes, you can mark the swing high here. Okay. So clearly it is above our target, right? So let's go for next one. This is another example. So this is a G bar strategy. Let's look at any stock from the scanner. Search here. Okay. You can see here. What is the date? Angel 1 and BGR Energy. Angel 1. You can see this is the last one, right? Yesterday we got this G bar. You can see the G here, right? So strategy is to buy above the high of this G bar. Okay. Let's see some older example. See here we can see NCL industry. Okay, here's the G bar, but we did not get entry here. Let's check another one. Shalimar Paints. Okay, here is the G bar. Okay, so what is the high of the G bar? High is 167.8. Let's say it's 168. Okay, so we will buy at 169, or we can say here there's a small resistance. We mark the high of this resistance nearby. So we will buy at 1 rupee above that resistance. Okay, 160, 170 we will buy. So you can see here 1 point above this G bar we're going to buy, and boy, this is like amazing. In 2 days, target done. Maybe in 1 day. So stop loss here we can see what are the guidelines. Mark the high of the G bar on trading view. 1 point above the high of the G bar is the entry. If entry is not confirmed within 15 days, the G bar is invalid. Close below both 20 EMA and G bar. Okay, if we get both close below the 20 EMA and G bar, both, okay, not one, both we should get. So it is invalid before the entry. If we get close below both, then it is a, and if it is not within 15 days. GMDC, yeah, okay. GMDC, we'll check GMDC. Okay, there's no G bar here, but you can see blue bar was here. Here was a blue bar. Here was on blue bar. You can see. So it had given good entries. In our group, I had given this GMDC to buy at around this level. Okay, so let's look at, yeah, guidelines. So lowest low after the G bar before entry candle will be our stop loss. Okay, so whatever is the lowest low after the G bar is formed will be our stop loss. And one is two is risk reward. So take note of duration before target level and manage trade accordingly. Trail at 20 EMA swing low after booking target one. Okay, so let's take some other examples also of G bar. Let's take here DP wires 680. So this is the G bar, but we did not get entry. Let's take some other. You can say GTPL. Here also no entry yet. MHLX. BSL, which is BSL. BSL. Okay. So this is the G bar. They mark the high. It's 190. So 191 we will buy. So this is the lowest low after the G bar, right? So trade is running yet. We'll see if there's any resistance here. You can see some resistance, but You mark this is a relation zone, right? So we can book here at some 1:1 is okay. Yeah, the indicator access will be like the trading profit coach indicator. You have to share your trading view ID with Hemant. Then he will give you access for 3 months. With you have to also give your mobile number to be added in the Telegram channel. So you will get the notification, real time notification of breakouts also. Okay. Let's see some other examples if you want. So G bar stop loss. Okay. Let's take one another example. Anything. See. Let's take some old one. Too many stocks here. Okay, KEC. You can see Thomas Scott KEC. What is the date? 13/9. KEC International. So this was the G bar here. Okay. You can see a G bar here. There's one G bar here. There's one G bar here. So let's take from here first. Okay. So the stop loss is the lowest low after the G bar. Okay. After the G bar and entry. This is an entry candle and lowest low is this one. So this will be the stop loss. So this is stop loss. This is your entry somewhere. If there is a gap up open, we'll buy 1 rupee above the gap up open. If gap up open is too high, we will avoid it. Okay. So this is not too big. So 1 rupee above the gap up open, you buy somewhere here. So 1:2. So this is your target hit here. Okay. Target is done on this day. 1:2. If there is any resistance, we will check before. There's no resistance here nearby. So we can go for 1:2. Is that clear? Okay. Stop loss is clear. Target is clear. Then we have swing by triangle. Swing by triangle strategy 3. Entry is valid. Yes. Why is the entry is not valid? There's no close below the 20 EMA, right? And is it 15 days? From here, we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15th day we got entry. So it's not more than 15 days, right? 15 day we got entry, right? It's a good example. 15th day we got entry. Okay. You will not count the G bar, you will count after G bar 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 15th day we got entry here. Okay, let's go for swing by triangle. Let's start here. Swing by. It will be like will be Swingkhoj. Well, swing by, swing by. Okay, let's go a little backwards. So okay, we see M Sumi and it is 31st of August, right? M Sumi 62, persistent and voltas. What was the date? 31st August. Okay, see this. This is the this is our candle, right? You can see the triangle here. Swing by triangle. So this is by 1 rupee above the you can buy here. So you mark the high. Let's see what we have here. Mark the high of the triangle bar on trading view chart. We'll mark the high 62.45. 1 point above the high of the triangle bar is entry. Okay, so 62.45. We have 63.45 entry here. So this is our entry. Stop loss. Initial stop loss 20 EMA value of the trigger candle. Okay. So here also we are going for 1:2. If we go 1:1, uh, we have good like strike rate. Like we have good strike rate with 1:1. But if you want 1:2, it's also okay. It's doing good. So here the stop loss will be the EMA value at when when this bar is formed, the EMA 20 EMA. So around 60, right? So we'll go. Okay, you can see 1:1 is almost is 1:1 is done. Okay, but stop loss is hit here after 1:1. Is there any resistance here? Yes, there is a resistance here, right? So we can book 1:1 here. Are you getting it? It's not too big bar. So you can say for swing cycle, maybe most of the time there will be some bigger bars. If it is too big, like 59 to 62, then 3 rupees. It's okay. It's not like 10 rupees. If it is a big bar like this, then you can it's a higher volume. Big bar and big volume, then avoid it. Okay, like this. These are okay, normal volume. Like it's okay. It's not too big bar. We'll see another example also. Let's see. So next is persistent and voltas. 31st August. Okay, here is a. So this is the 31st August candle. You can see here there is no triangle, but we will consider it as a true value because we are taking the scanner as a true value, right? For this strategy, usually the bars will be bigger, like not too big, but medium size candle will be okay for this type of trade. So this is our entry here, and the 20 MA values here. Entry 20 MA value is a stop loss. So I can see 1:3 we got already. Is there any resistance here? No. So we can go for 1:2. So target is done, right? Let's check one more example. Voltas, 31st August. See, this is the 31st August candle. Mark the high. Here also you can see there is no indication here, but it has come in our scanner. So I have marked the resistance here, right? This is a resistance zone. Say somewhere here, from this close to. Okay, at least 1:1 we have to get. Is the entry, the initial stop loss. Okay, let's do the other way. Okay, stop loss is here, 20 MA. We'll go at least 1:1. Because 1:2 will be out of our range. Okay, so we'll go for 1:1. Just about hit the target. Yeah. So 1:1 target was met here, right? Just about, just touch and go. So you're getting how to take targets, like you're aiming for 1:2. If there is no resistance, if there is resistance before that, we'll go for 1:1. Okay. So this is clear. So once first target is achieved, you can trail on the 20 MA. Like for example, you booked here some, then if you get a close below 20 MA, you exit. Okay. Or RSI goes below 55. Any of the two. This is the RSI. So this is now 43. This is the higher time frame RSI. Okay. Weekly RSI. This is small RSI is the daily RSI, and big RSI is the weekly time frame RSI. Let's go for the next one. So three strategies. You have any doubt? You can ask. You can clear it now. We are going into now pullback setup. Okay, no questions yet. So moving forward, pullback. So pullback gives a very low risk entry, and like small stop loss and bigger targets we can aim for. So when we get some stocks on the Telegram channel, we have to ensure like that is near the fib zone or support level. For entry, you can go for hourly time frame and take box entry, box breakout entry or trend line breakout entry. Stop loss below the box, and target usually the inverse fib zone. I will show you how to take the targets here. Okay, let's take some example from the scanner. Pull back deal. Okay, let's go a little far. can see here some stocks are here. Um, 8 9 8 September, Bajaj Auto, DLF, we'll go DLF and Bajaj Auto, DLF, 8 September, right? 8. No, what is the date? Yeah, 8 September. Was it 9 8? September 7. Okay, August, 9th August, 9th August. Okay, this is the, so we don't have the indication in trading view, but we have the indication in the Telegram channel, right? So this is the, so we'll mark this area and go in hourly time frame for entry. Okay, we are going to enter here this area. We'll take the hourly time frame and go to August 9. So we'll put on the box now. Okay, so we have a box here, or you can even draw some trend line if you are good at it. For example, this is a good trend line, right? 9th of August. I go for this trend line, right? So this is a good entry, right? If you enter here, the stop loss is hit. The stop loss is below this low, okay? Below this low. So in this trade, we can say the stop loss is hit. Let's take another example. Bajaj Auto. First, we go to daily time frame. So around this 9th of August, okay? So first, we have to ensure if it is near the support. Okay, we have a support here. This is a good area of support, right? And it has come near it. We'll go to hourly time frame. 9th of August. So we didn't get any close above this blue area, but once we get a blue box, we can enter. You can see here we got a blue box. So this is confirming an entry with close above. Blue box with close above. This is not close above, right? Here we can see blue box with close above. So this is an entry. Stop loss will be this. So once it comes in the uh, pullback, you can keep it in your watch list until we get a close below this support area. Two candles, if it close below this support area, then you can say it's invalid. So you can enter here. uh, Easily might be target is it, right? Yeah. Okay, let's go for another example. Some other date we'll try. Let's say FDC, India Cement. You can see pullback here, right? 21.8. Here it gave already. Okay, 21.8. This is the area. So we'll go in hourly. 21.8. So this is the 21.8. We have a blue box here, right, with close above. We'll enter here. So this is your entry. This is your stop loss. So we go for 1:1 in this, or any support resistance we can take. So how I take target is I will put a reverse Fibonacci here, like from high to low. So this zone is take profit zone, and also my 1:2 is coming there, so I can book here. Is it clear? You can see the trading view is giving pullback here, but we already got the signal here, right, on 21st. Let's see some other chart. India Cement, India Cement. It is 21st September, right? September 21st here. So we have a Fibonacci zone here, right? And also a support zone. So this is a good area for entry, right? Let's go into 1 hour. So 21st September. Okay. So this is an entry, which was it stop loss. Okay, small stop loss, but the gains are bigger in this. Let's see next one, right? So 21st September, it went below. Yeah, there's no entry in here. We have another pullback here. Let's see some recent ones. Cipla, FDC. You can see here FDC. It's 23 September. This one, right? We got here 23 August. 23 August. Somewhere here. And again, it might have come here. So see, you can see already I marked the trend line here, but we did not get entry in here. Let's check. JSW Energy. JSW Energy. Date is 29. 29 here. Okay. You can see this is already in a big uptrend. These are nice cheat entries. So here we get entry. For simplicity, you can what you can do is you can mark high of this candle. Okay, this is 29 August. 29 August. Okay, mark the high of that candle. Enter next day. So what we have done is we have this sheet here. You can see all strategies. You can see the win percent of the blue bar is 77%. G bar is 76%. Triangle with 1:2 is 68. 1:2 this reward. We are not taking into consideration 1:1 or support. We are just making it a point. Like if you are adamant and stick with it, 1:2 I will take. You are getting 68%. Pullback daily 89%. Pullback hourly 86%. And there is square pullback for hourly also is 80% win rate. The problem is like you get more trades here in triangle. Here you get lesser number of trades in blue bar and G bar compared to the triangle. So while backtesting, what we have done, we have just marked the high of the candle and entered one rupee above that. Okay, for simplicity, you can do that also. No problem with that. If it is complex, you feel okay going into hourly it's complex, you can make it simple. Okay, let's take one more recent example, maybe. Okay, 30 IDFC. You can see IDFC 30 August. It's August, maybe more recent. We'll check. Yeah, just talk. Okay, FDC. It is 25 September, right? FDC. So you can see 25 September we have FDC again here. So mark the high of this candle. Enter here. Stop loss will be the last swing low. This is a swing low. You can see 1:1 is achieved very fast, right? If you go for 1:2, it takes time. Is that clear? Any question on this pullback one? For simplicity, just buy above the high of the trigger day and go for minimum 1:1. Any questions, please comment. So moving on. So breakout, you can see here. Telegram channel will give list of stocks, live breakout if any stock is screened by our scanner under breakout Swingkhoj. Generally, we get stock that are given flat base breakout, trend line breakout, or flag breakout. Okay. So stop loss below the box breakout candle, 2% below the breakout high. Target is harmonic length. Okay, let's check any recent examples. There will be many. Like there are many trades, we cannot measure everything, but let's see. Just see yesterday's. You can see high tech. Okay, what was the entry time? Entry price was 94, 94 something. So you are in this trade, right? We are not recommending to take every breakout here. Okay, so what I generally do is I look for a break test, like for example, usually a break test continuation, or if there is a good consolidation here, I would have not entered this trade because there is a clear resistance nearby. Okay, just for general information, how to keep stop loss for breakout trades. Okay, so for example, we take this is the high. Okay, this is the high of the breakout. So general assumption is like we have to keep stop loss 2% below the breakout level. Like it's 91, so 2 rupees below 89. Okay, around approximately. This is one method. Another method is low of the breakout candle, and last is 20 EMA of the breakout candle. So I will ask you to like backtest these and check out for yourself. Like it is very hard to teach how to take breakout. You have, like, there will be more losing trades than winning trades, but the winning trades will be big winners. So you have to be patient with breakout trading. Let's see some other example. If Salona, Jacob, okay, you can see here. It was a trend line breakout, I think. Okay, entry was at 303 and high was 316. So even if you enter same day, you get almost 4% here, more than 4%. Same day entry. Jacob, Look at this. 278 was the entry. 286 we got, right? And it has hit upper circuit, I think. Yeah. Yeah. So you will get pullback में ER नहीं देखना, ER सिर्फ और सिर्फ ब्लू बैक स्ट्रेटेजी के लिए, सिर्फ ब्लू बार ER. Is that clear? Only for blue bar strategy we have ER. So breakout, you can. It's very hard to teach actually, like how to trade breakouts. You have to learn with experience. Okay, HMBL, you can see HMBL, HMBL. You can see around when we got this 70 rupees, we got this breakout here 70 somewhere here, I think. What's the date? 14 August. Yeah. So here we got the breakout. See, now it's trading at, even after 70, it made a high of 76. 5%, more than 5%. So this is a scanner, like it will give you real-time breakouts. So if you are good at trading breakouts, then this is for you. So we'll not discuss too much about the breakouts because we have not taken all the trades into consideration. You can see here uh, in the breakout column, we have clearly mentioned breakout trades, only the ones we have taken is considered here. Okay, so we're not trading all the breakouts, selected ones. Okay, let's go next one. Oh, so this is pullback hourly. In hourly time frame, we'll get pullbacks. Let's see. Hourly. Let's go. So ITI had come on, which date is it? October 9. ITI. We'll go in hourly. Pullback, you can see it came on 9 October here. Okay, 9th October. What was the time? 11:15. So after the 10:15 candle, so mark the high, enter here, stop loss the last low, target easily done. right? Then we have Oswald Green. Now that pullback hourly, we have Gillette and Rapco Cement, 315. So 9th October, 315. Yeah, this candle, right? So this is pullback hourly. You'll enter here. I think target is almost done here. You see Ramco Cement. So 9th October again. This is the high. Okay, enter here. Stop loss here. It's also targeted, right? So for simplicity, we'll go for like break above high, right? Break above the high, enter, because in backtest we have just taken break above high and we have entered. So stop loss for that is whatever the recent low is. So this is stop loss. We can take 1:1. This is 1:1 strategy. Okay, 1:1. Then you can trade 20 mm. Is that clear? So we have pullback hourly. Then we have purple square hourly. Purple. Okay. See, purple. Okay, let's take recent trade. Same thing. Power grid 201. So here we did not get above the high. Now maybe actually, let's see. Yeah, it was a very big candle here. So entry above this high, and this is a stop loss. The last low, stop loss is hit. Okay. Let's check another one. Jindal Tata Steel. The date 26. Now, yeah, this is. So this is the last swing low. So here also we can see stop loss is hit if we buy above the high, right? Tata Steel. Here we did not get entry. Okay. Wash. Okay. Maruti. What's the date? 10/15. 10 October. So 10 October, 10/15. So this is the high. You enter here. Target is it, first target, then you are trailing at 20 EMI. So this is clear, purple square. So whatever the entry is, you have to go to the previous low. That will be a stop loss. For example, here, this is a stop loss. 1:1 we got already, and we are trailing now. So here you can use RSI if it goes below 30, or swing low, right? No fixed target here. Your trail as per stop loss. If you are doing 1:1, it's okay, but you can trail until the RSI goes below 30. Let's take an example somewhere. Let's put RSI indicator. RSI. Okay. So if it goes below 30, then you exit. Okay. Now it's doing quite well. So this is a good way of trailing for this purple strategy. Then we have the bottom strategy. Actually, we have a indicator for this, but it is not quite good uh, as the trading view indicator. Like when the trading view gives bottom, it is very good. We have made the same scanner, but we don't have all the indicators that we used in trading view in charting. So there's a lot, but if you can find on the charts, like if you have a fixed watch list, then you can find easily. Recently I found this one here. HUL was my last trade. You can see I found bottom here, and above the high I bought. So this trade is still running for me. If you find bottom of the chart, is a very good trade. Let's see if you can find some bottoms in our watch list. You see here, one bottom was here. It will form like almost near the bottoms. You can see here, here, right? You see how good it is here. See bottom here, bottom, bottom, here, right? So you can trade this bottom and can do pretty well. If you have fixed watch list, then you will be able to find them easier. You see, iShare motor here, here. See, Tata Motor gave us bottom here, 380 levels. You can see here Kotak Bank. You can see HCL Tech. See here. So it is a very good bottom finder if you're looking for one. If you have any doubts in this, you can ask. The stop loss for the bottom is similar like the pullback entry. Entry and stop loss. High above the high you can enter. Below the low there's a stop loss. You can book initial target at 1:1 or 1:2, whatever you want. Then you can trade. So I'll give one technique that I use for breakout trading. So what I do is, if Nifty is trading below 20 EMA, okay, if Nifty is trading below 20 EMA, and if I enter any breakout trade, so I'll book out 7 to 8% initial target, or mostly I'll book out 80%. I'll book out 80% if Nifty is trading below 20 EMA and we get some stock in breakout. But if Nifty is trading about 20 EMA, then I aim for bigger, like 25-30%. So this is a trick I use. You can also try this out. Like for now you can see it's like Nifty is not trending much, so if we are taking any breakout trades, just book out at 7 to 8% initially. And Nifty is trading above 20, then I book in three parts, like 40, then 30, then 30. You can see here, I have done with support relations, like gap fill area, we get bottom, then entry. So recent trades, you can see I had G. Let's see. See, this is the GNFC trade, and GSFC. I think that's kind of bottom. So these two trades we got at bottom, and also added some here. So it was a good trade. If you are having a fixed watch list, then you will be able to find them better. Any questions? You will get access to this file also. Then you will get access to um, trading view, trading view indicator and telegram channel. So for that, you have to contact Mr. Hemant, give him your details, trading view ID, phone number, so that he can add you, and it is free for 3 months. Then after 3 months, more 3 months, you want to extend 200 per month only. Okay. Then after that, uh, full payment. If you like full payment, then if you don't like, you can cancel the subscription. But I think you should try it definitely. And one trick I will give you is, uh, although this indicator have 7 to 8 strategies, but you need to find one strategy that works for you and take all the trades in in that strategy. So your strike rate will be maintained. If you are taking all the strategies, maybe you might not have enough capital left for buying other strategy, right? Your favorite strategy. So pick one strategy that suits your style. Maybe pullback trading is for you, uh, breakout trading is for you, or maybe uh, momentum trading is for you. So figure out what is good. For me, I like to trade breakouts and pullbacks more. So usually I stick with the bottom, pullback daily, pullback hourly, and hourly, purple, and breakouts. So these are my favorite. And for investing, I use G bar and blue bar for investing. So that is my approach towards this indicator. So in blue bar and G bar, your waiting time is much more. So you can, for investing, it is like good. Like if your view is more than 6 months, then G bar and blue bar is for you. If you're short term trader, then swing buy and pullback daily is for you, and breakout also. And if you're like very short term, then you have the hourly time frame trades. So it's an indicator for everyone, like for every style it will suit. So we have to pick your style and trade every stock that comes in that. So that is the secret for that. And book stop loss whenever the stop loss is hit. Don't listen to anyone. Exit on stop loss. We have the results here. If you stick with the take profit and stop loss, you will be in profit. You see, just believe in that and trust your process. You will be in profit. So, so you will have usually five types of trades, right? Like good profit, uh, small profit, break even, small loss, big loss. These are five types of trade. You have to only avoid the big loss. If you avoid big loss, then everything is sorted. So if you're interested in this, 3 months are free, and then 3 months only 200 per month with scanner, with indicator. I think it's a fair deal. Like if you look at it, 6 months you are getting for 100 rupees per month. So it's not a bad deal. Okay, if you have any questions, please ask here, or we can close it. So everyone is okay with this? Okay, guys, see you then. Contact Hemant. Maybe he'll put your Hemant, put your contact number in the chat so that they can contact you. And also, I'll be putting the link in the Twitter and even on the in our WhatsApp groups, so you can watch it, and we will save this. Thank you.